Why do 95% of cat lovers adore their feline friends? Cats began as fierce wildcats in the Middle East about 10,000 years ago. Agile, small, and superb hunters. In ancient Egypt, cats were worshipped as gods and protectors. They controlled mice, saving food supplies and earning a place of honor. But in medieval Europe, things took a dark turn. Cats were wrongly linked to witchcraft, leading to their persecution and a spike in rat populations. Hello, Black Death. Thankfully, during the Renaissance, cats made a comeback, becoming beloved pets in Europe. Sailors took them on voyages, spreading feline love globally. Today, our furry friends are internet sensations and cherished companions worldwide. From wild to domestic, the cat's journey is a tale of survival, adaptation, and love.